And good evening, and thank you so much for joining me this evening. I am your host, Eric, on Eric's Weather Forecast. And tonight, we're going to be doing live streaming on all of the severe weather that's breaking out down in Oklahoma, Texas area. And as you can see right now, I actually have that up on the screen right here. Uh, until all of this severe weather finally calms down, I will be on until most of these warnings come down. But you can see this is very active weather we've got going on. Let me go to my radar here for just one moment, just 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we have going on. We've got all of these severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect where all of the active severe weather is, and there's actually multiple severe thunderstorm warnings that are actually in action here at this time. And then there's actually some tornado warnings as well down there. So if you do live in those areas that are being affected by the severe weather, just be careful. And also, if you live in those remaining areas, just make sure that you are in your sheltered area until all the storms have passed. So until most of this severe weather activity settles down here, I'll be with you up until these tornado warnings expire and some of these severe thunderstorm warnings expire. I'll kind of stick around with you until some of this active stuff comes down. But that's probably not going to be for a while. Kind of watching that. I had to figure out exactly which radar to go to because there's so many for every single state. So I'm spending a lot of time, and I went through it as well. I'll bring up that tornado watch box if you guys want to see where that is. That's I didn't. I knew I forgot something. I think I could actually still put that on there. Let me bring that tornado watch back up just for those that may not even know that. Just as a precaution, let me bring that back up. One moment, I gotta see if I can find that. See, we have all the more. I have to just bring up the thing. Just one moment. Thought I had it on there. I have it loading, so just a second, please. Okay. Alright, we'll go ahead and talk about that. Sorry that it's on top of everything else, but I'm going to go ahead and explain to you. Down in the south, they've been having a lot of active severe weather, and this has actually been a problem since yesterday, and this is actually one of their greatest potentials for severe weather. So there's a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings that you can see on here on the map right here. A lot of severe thunderstorm warnings that are still active as we speak, and there's actually some tornado warnings as well, and there's actually some advisories and things like that going on as well. So I think I might even zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. I'm going to look here and see, and this is actually um, down in Oklahoma. So if you guys live out in that area, just be very careful because it's very, very, very dangerous storms that are happening down there. So please be very careful tonight if you're going to be down there. I'm just kind of on the concern side with that. Just be careful if you're going to be out there. We might even click on one of these warnings in that and see how we're doing. But this is a lot of activity that we're seeing. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we'll probably, let me zoom in a little bit more. So let me just zoom out for a second. I'm actually, while I'm thinking about it, I want to actually see something really quick. I want to check out this one tornado warning. I'm kind of concerned about that. That looks very, very interesting. So I actually am going to see if I can click on it and see if I can get maybe some info or something on it. Let me see. I don't know. Probably not. Wait, maybe, hold on. No, it's not going to do anything. Let me try one other thing. Probably not. But that does look very, very, very interesting. I'm going to see if I can maybe, just a second. I'm going to try and do something else. So, I'm just zooming in for you guys so you can see where this tornado warning is. It's right up there. I'll actually show it to you. I can't really give you much info, but I'll just do the best of my own ability to what I'm seeing on here. But I'll do whatever I can to see if I can get some details for you on that. So just kind of bear with me here. I don't know if there's, well, we'll figure it out when we get to that. Let me see. I'm just looking at everything because I want to see something basically. So, one moment. I'm going to see if we can look at some stuff here. See if I could do something. I don't know. This is going to be a learning type of thing. Let's see what we can do here. We're going to see about, what am I going to do with this? Let me look. Okay, actually what we're going to do, I'm going to see if I can do something really quick. We're going to try something. Just a minute, I'm going to do something. Okay. I've never done this before, so, and I don't even know which way that's going. Let me see. This is very, very interesting. Okay, so let's see what time. I'm trying to figure out which way those storms are going. It looks like they might be going in that. I'm waiting to see. I don't exactly know what's going on here. I'm just watching to see where some of these clusters of storms are going to go, and then I'll try and get a little more info on that. Sorry about that. I'm just learning some of these radars. So let's see. Wait, what does it say? Hold on just a second. It says point and drag. Okay. Wow, how interesting is that? If I knew where they were going. Okay. Well, let me do something. Let me bring this down. Oh, crap. Hold on. I'm sorry. Trying to figure out something. Trying to get out of there. One moment. That isn't exactly what I wanted to do. Sorry. See if I can get a lead time or an arrival time for this stuff. It just says point. Alright, one moment. I've never done this before. Oh. How interesting. no. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to stay with you guys so we can continue to watch this weather activity, and we'll see what happens. But I might have to listen in on some stuff and see what I can find out. But very interesting weather situation we've got going on here. Very interesting. I'm gonna do something here. Oops. Where'd my map go? There it is. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Um, do something. Alright, I gotta figure this out. I don't even know. I gotta try something. Huh. Alright. I'm just waiting. I'm moving this stuff around. And just waiting to see what happens. But very, very active weather pattern. There's still severe thunderstorm warnings going on. Let me see if I can get back up to where I was at. Hold on. There. So now we just wait and see what happens. There's still some active weather going on. And now we're just going to wait and see what happens. So if you do live in those areas, just be careful. There's still severe weather going on down there. So please be careful. If you're going to be out there tonight, just be careful. That's all I ask. Is that you guys take a lot of precautions and all of that. So please be careful down there. And make sure you stay in your sheltered area until all those storms have passed, because there's still some active weather still going on over there. So I'll stay with you guys until some of these warnings come down, because there's still tornado warnings that are still in effect. I'm going to have another look at this, see what we got going on. We got actually two tornado warnings. I'm just double checking. We've got multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. I see that. And we also have the tornado warnings. So once the tornado warnings come down, then we should be okay. But still quite active weather we've got going on down there. So okay. Gonna see what else is going on. And then I just go like this. I'm gonna actually move it around a little bit. Let me move this over a little bit so I can see something. That'll look better for me. Alright, there we go. Oh, crap. Hold on just a second. There we go. Let's see if I can get that off of there. I don't know. Oops, sorry. Don't want to do that. Okay. So, let me see if I can make this smaller. So, I wonder how everyone is liking our severe weather. It has just been very, very interesting weather pattern we've had. Very awesome. So now we'll just leave it on here, and we're going to wait until some of the thunderstorm warning stuff comes down, and then we'll see what happens from there. So it's not looking too bad. We just gotta wait and see how this in particular we go. So we'll see. Um, but trust me, I've seen a lot of uh, severe weather, and I've actually seen worse cases of severe weather than this. So, um, but they're quite powerful. So, um, I'll have some other stuff like on the damage and all of that. So, a lot of clusters of thunderstorms as well. Um, so, I know severe weather is not really the best thing that we want to see, but um,